welcome to Flood's Fireworks Safety Tips. Are you ready, Sam?
Yes, Mike!
Always keep a safe distance from fireworks.
You might want to make sure you're close enough to actually see the fireworks, though. Hey, Mike.
Hello, and welcome to Flood's Firework Safety Tips. Always wear gloves when you play with sparklers to protect your hands. Oh, it's gone out. Oh, hot, 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 hot!
And remember, sparklers stay very hot even after they've gone out, so always have a bucket of water handy to put them in when you've finished.
Could I have another one, please, Sam? Hello, and welcome to Flood's Fireworks Safety Tips with me, Mike Flood.
Are you going to give them your safety tip?
I'm waiting for my music intro.
We've only got 30 seconds. There's no time.
Oh, yeah, OK, Sam. So, if you've got a lit firework and it's not going off, don't go back to it because it's still be live! Ah!
We're the Junior Cadets! Always remember to keep your pets indoors on firework night.
All the pets are inside now, Fireman Sam. Apart from that one.
Don't worry, I've got him! What?
And that one.
So, remember to keep your pets indoors, as the loud noises could frighten them. Thanks, team.
Hello, I am Atomic Boy!
And I am Norman Man. And we're here to say, when you go out in the dark...
Always make sure you can be easily seen.
Ha! You call that superhero lighting? Oh, so remember, citizens, be safe,
Be bright!
And be seen at night.
When he hears that fire alarm, Sam